Alrighty guys, first things first, I'm gonna apologize for the poor lighting. I'm in the old garage. We need to do a makeover soon and get rid of half this shit and clean up the walls and probably just tear down the drop ceiling. Cause like, I don't know. And then if anything, just put plywood like on the beams and then so we could store shit up there better and stuff. Cause we do kind of store some stuff up there, but with that being said, I'm going to be working on my bike because I left them in the garage for a little and then both the batteries died. And then of course my dad's been telling me, get a triple charger. I'm pretty sure that's what they're yada yada yada. His bike's the only one standing. Like, and the good old trusty Grom. She's a good old trusty Grom. She ain't never do me wrong. But both the Dynas have dead batteries, so it's either they like kinda wanna start, but they're not totally dead, so it's either I jump it with the car, which I saw, or most of the triple chargers have the connectors, but I went in the pack and I saw this, so it connects to, like, if you guys know about triple chargers, they have that connector. Fuck, you guys cannot see for shit, but if you guys know, you guys know. And then this plugs into it, but in the pack that it came with, it came with this, so this connects to this, and then I can connect those to the battery, and then hopefully it'll charge it up a bit, and bada bing bada boom. And then if I could get it just charged a little bit and then start it, we'll be good. But I'm kind of doing it at the worst time ever. Like, I wish I found out earlier. I mean, it's only 5, so 6. So if I could get this done in like an hour, I'm probably only gonna do one. I'm gonna test it out on the wide glide first, just in case. On this one, just in case something happens. And then I'm gonna get it started up, let it run, and then I'm just gonna let this battery charge overnight. And then, so I'm not bothering the neighbors and shit. So we should be able to get this done. It's really the matter of how long that's really gonna take to charge. So with that being said, I'm probably just gonna put this in time lapse and then get her done, so I'm not just sitting here talking and blabbing her. I'm not gonna be talking half the time, and then it's just gonna be nothing but silence. So I'll see you guys once we make some progress. Alrighty, we got her all connected, so I'm gonna let it charge for like 30 minutes or so, then I'm gonna come out here, try to start it, and then I'll see you guys when I do that. So deuces. Alrighty guys, I let the battery just charge all night. It's actually a whole different day, so we're gonna see. My guess is it might be showing that it's out of fuel. Oh shit, because it's tipped over. Fill her up soon. That being said though, I'm gonna let her warm up a little bit and then I'm gonna shut it off and then I'll see you guys. I'm gonna put on time lapse and then take off that battery cover and then hook up that. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Alrighty, I know it was probably a quick and stupid video, but I got this one on the battery trickle or whatever it's called, tender, whatever they call it. Heard people call it both names. I don't know what to call it. I don't know. Tender, trickle, same thing. But this one's all good. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys it, so I'm gonna probably just end it for this video. I might show a clip of me tomorrow starting this up, just because I think I'm gonna start it off and then cut the fuel off just to run the carb out. I don't know, I'm gonna talk to some people about that, just I don't know, because I'm probably not gonna ride it for the rest of the year, so like I don't want like gas getting gunked up in the carb, so I don't know. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video, or you might see this run tomorrow for a little bit. So deuces, see you guys whenever. Alrighty guys, so I let this charge up overnight, so I'm done riding until it gets hot, at least these bikes, and then probably this bike too until I trade it for something. If it's a dirt bike I might ride it, or if it's a truck, I don't know yet. We'll see you soon. And speaking of that, if you guys want this thing, let me know down below. Hit me up if you're near CT or surrounding states and have anything cool to trade or cash. I don't care. That's the only bike that's up, but battery's all charged up, so I am going to unplug her, start the bike up, let it run for a little bit, and then turn the gas off and then let the car run out, just so, because that's probably going to be the last time I'm going to start it up for the year. So I'm just gonna keep like swapping the triple charger through all these bikes, because like that was charged like the whole night and the day before, then this was charged, so that hasn't been on the charger for a day, and that hasn't been off for 2 days. So then I'm gonna move it to that one, then this will be off for 2 days while then it'll be like 3 days, let it charge. So like, because usually it charges up the battery overnight, so like, I don't know. So I'm gonna plug it into this one now, let it charge overnight, and then tomorrow night I'll swap it onto this one. Only because it's like really, it's getting really cold out, so. My little shiv, because I don't think it would do anything if it touches the frame, but I don't want it to short anything out. And then nothing really to do but start her up. They're all like almost out of gas, so like I don't want to. Neutral. I had to guess. Might be out of gas. Yeah, I think it's out of gas. that being said, it completely just ran out of gas, so I'm just gonna end it off. We got all these bikes, batteries back good, so yeah, I know it was a kind of stupid video, but I had nothing else to post, so I was gonna miss 2 days in a row, and yeah, so at least you guys get a little something. Hope you guys liked it. See you guys in the next video. Deuces.